Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is starting a little bit different. I'm actually filming this on my phone right now because today's video is going to be a beauty room tour. In depth. We're gonna show the whole fucking thing and it is a mess. Okay guys, so basically, this is what it looks like when it's clean. When it's dirty, it's a whole nother story. I was thinking, maybe I should hold off on this video because I wanna show you guys like my best foot forward and make it look like I'm super organized and it looks amazing and da-da-da-da. But the reality of the situation is that it's not always so glamorous and it doesn't look that gorgeous all the time. And I just want to show you guys the reality of what it actually is. This is my actual beauty room. This is what I film in every single day. This is what I get ready in. And I'm just going to show you guys what kind of hoarder that I really am. So, because it's really real. It's really fucking real. So that's what today's video is going to be. I'm just going to go and do a little bit of a tour with you guys and just kind of show you guys around my room. I'll show you guys what it looks like when you walk in. And I'll show you guys a little bit of my organization, where you can get some of them. A lot of you guys want to see what my filming setup looks like, which I will show as well. If you guys want me to go in depth and really dive into my filming setup, I can definitely do a separate video on that because that's its own separate video. That shit is too fucking long, but I can definitely do that for you guys if you guys are interested. But yeah, that's what today's video is going to be. As always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys do not like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill with that. Y'all know the fucking drill with that. But if you guys do like this video, please don't give it a thumbs up and let me know if you guys like this kind of video where I'm like giving a tour or just kind of letting you guys in a little bit more to see the behind the scenes. I've seen so many people post their tour videos and I love them. I'm very inspired by Desi's beauty room. I love seeing Laura's beauty room. James just did an apartment tour. I love fucking tours. They're fucking incredible. And it's gonna change up because I'm wanting to move soon. So yeah, let's just go again right into the video. So we open it and this is what we see. We see my setup. We see all this going on. I know you guys have seen a little bit of behind the scenes because of Mr. Kate. She came in and we did my beauty room and we decorated it. And of course, a lot of it is the same decoration from when Mr. Kate did it. She's incredible. I'll leave her link down below. She's amazing. But I've definitely updated it a bit more since then. My God. So let's go and start on the left side first. So this is where a lot of my makeup is stored. As we can see, the top section is a disaster. It's as organized as it can be for now. I just don't have a lot of space. Basically, what I want to do is like have those acrylic drawers lining the entire thing. I've just been super busy, but anyway, the top of it looks like this. This used to be a drawer I had like collaborations and things like that, and things that I was like super proud of, and other influencer collaborations and things like that, but it got filled up because I needed more space. And then we have beauty blenders in this section, a lot of them, some extra brushes, rhinestones. I can also do a really in-depth like into the drawers deep dive, and I can definitely do that for you guys if you guys want to see that. This is just going to be an overview of what I have. And then these guys, oh my gosh, woo! Now these fuckers right here, so these are actually shoe containers from the Container Store. They are super inexpensive in comparison to acrylic drawers. And what I did was I just got little like shoe containers and put dividers in them, and that's how we divided some things. This used to be my like drugstore section. I wanted it to be all drugstore on the top and then my high end in the bottom. Again, we ran out of space, so we couldn't do that. So what I have is like I have these huge ones, which are, these are like clothes ones. These are like for clothes, like foundations in here, foundations in here. This trick I learned from Desi Perkins. She uses these acrylic drawers and I just think it's genius. That's what I learned from her video. And what do you know? Here's my palette looking like a goddamn supermodel. Oh, I love you. These were custom. Me and Kate did these ourselves, like painting wise. We painted these blush. You can't just buy these normally, just like normal like drawers, but every single drawer has like a purpose, I suppose you can say. So like for example, this drawer is highlighters, so you would see that we have non-organized highlighters in here. So unorganized, we have pencils, like brow products on this side, concealers on this side, setting sprays in the center, palettes. We have palettes galore in this section and down here as well. Yeah, no, we'll look at that later. All these drawers are completely filled up with different things. This guy is lipsticks, just some of them. This is like a small amount of what I have. And here we have lashes. I can't even open the drawer because I literally have too many. Nicole Guerrero, what is your ass doing in there? I can't open this drawer. Nicole Guerrero, you let me open this drawer right now. Okay, you know what? We're gonna say it's open in spirit. I swear it's filled with lashes to the brim. I can literally not even open it. So I will do a deep dive in my drawers if you guys are interested in seeing that. I just think it would be kind of cool to show you guys what I really have in here. I would do a fucking huge declutter, and I will soon. So anyway, this is my desk, and this is what you see. This is my camera. We have my lights. We have my bounce back boards. I have two of them, and we have my desk. This is what I use when I'm filming. This is my microphone, and this is what I see when I film. This is my little filming setup. Hi, honeys. Hi. It's so pretty. So this is behind me. This is my background that you guys see all the fucking time. I have my little stands here in case I want to like have a backdrop right there. Those stands, you see them? My other chair when I do collaborations. Some lights. This place is a mess. Down here, we don't talk about this. This is a mess. All this shit right here, no. So this is also just some things I use more immediately. These are things that I like take quickly on the go. These are really, really fast. And then this is my travel bag that I travel with all the time. Has my brushes in it. Has everything that I use in a quick jiffy. So let's go move on over here. We have this section right here. So this section here is things that I got recently in PR, like newer things. So basically what we do, me and my assistant, she puts all the new things I get in PR in these 2 containers, and I'll go through them throughout the week and see if I want to use any of the products and things like that to see if I want to film with anything. And if I don't, if I just leave them in here, I was looking for that fucking brush. If I don't want to use anything from here, she ends up just putting them away back into the sections that she knows where to put them in, like our little like assigned areas. So basically this is like my like testing new shit comes into here section. We haven't like revamped this in weeks, just we've been fucking busy as hell. The closet, you guys are going to fucking scream because this is so unorganized, but we're trying. So we go into here and what do we have? More goddamn makeup. Oh yeah. So we have pencils. We have some Too Faced goodies. We're trying to separate things by brands now. We're really trying to like get it secure. Not pencils necessarily, I'm just saying. But anyway, we're trying to do like things by brands here. We have Violet Voss, Natasha Denona, Tatcha Skincare. We have palettes in here, highlighters, JSC right in there. We have so much stuff. NYX, ColourPop. We have so many things. Also back here, you guys, we have backdrops that I use for my backgrounds. I have literally just rolls and rolls of paper backdrops. I just toss in if I want to have a backdrop. Depends on my mood. And then I have fabric ones right over here. They're kind of a bitch on camera, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of shit. This is actually kind of like more special effectsy type stuff, like paints and things like that. As we can see, like a bald cap. Oh my god, I can't get up. Fuck. And up here we just have our random ass tech things, which I use. Oh, that's a Nikita wig. Right there, a dragon wig. These are light jellies. And these you can just put over a light to give it like a little bit of a different effect. Just like different little tricks and tips if you guys want me to do it in depth. One of these, I told you guys I would do that. If you guys want, let me know in the comments bar below. If you guys want me to do a full filming setup situation, what I use and things like that, because that's its own video for sure. But for those of you guys who do wonder, I use the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, and I always put it in autofocus mode just because it's easier for me because I film by myself. I don't have anyone to help me film. So that is basically it, you guys. I mean, it's organized enough for what I can handle right at this moment, but when I move, I'm gonna be doing a huge decluttering and I'm gonna get rid of so many things that I no longer use because all these drawers here have so much product I no longer use. So I really want to do a big decluttering, and if you guys want to see that too, let me know down below. My Wi-Fi, I want strong Wi-Fi all the time. Charlotte Tilbury, random ass shit. I don't know where we got these cards. I think we got them at Target. These are really practical for when you just want to like have a quick little thing, toss some guys in there, and then just kind of keep it moving. What do y'all think? But anyways, you guys, that is it for my room tour. This is my beauty room. This is the room that I film in all the time. Oh, a plethora of my fucking time, honestly. But this is, I got a lot of these little cute trinkets and things like that from Z Gallery, from Pier 1. I try to switch it up as much as I can with the background, but you know, people get complacent. And by people, I mean me. And I get fucking tired and I like my background. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoy it. This is just kind of an insight of what my beauty room looks like, just kind of seeing everything. If you guys want to see me do a deep dive into the drawers and actually see what's in the drawers, like deep down in the crevices, see what's really that fucking tea, let me know and we can definitely make that happen. Have a great rest of the night or day wherever you guys are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys. I love you. Mwah. So yeah, you guys, that is my bedroom. No, we ain't going over there. That shit's a mess. Screenshot that for a fucking thumbnail. What the fuck? Can I not speak today? Or what the fuck? Outside my door, and it is opening on its own, which is creepy. I'm not gonna lie. Why the fuck is my mom's fucking extensions right here? Mom, get it together.